How often do guests arrive at large hotel campuses feeling disoriented, unsure of the layout and unaware of where key amenities are located? With MAPOG, hotels can create interactive map-based tours that give guests a clear preview of the property. Get started by opening story.mapog.com and click on Create. Select Category Template. Give your project a title and a short description, then hit Save. Next, go to Process Custom Location and select the Geo-referencing option. Then upload your layout image in JPG or PNG format. Use the toolbox to find your location by name or coordinates. Choose a drawing mode such as 4 points, rectangle, or square and click Start Drawing. Draw a grid to align your layout image and click Next. Adjust the position, rotation, scale, and opacity until the image aligns perfectly with the base map. Then save your changes. Click on Add Custom Location and open Custom Location Template Settings. Set a title, choose a color, select the geometry type as a point, add the required attributes like text, select, multi-select, image, etc., and save the template. Here you define what information each location will include, like titles, images, categories, and more, so everything stays consistent and clear. Select the template from the drop-down. Then place points on the map, fill in the details, and upload images. Repeat this for all amenities and facilities. To make exploration easier, use filtering tools to group locations by type, category, or range. This helps users focus only on what matters to them. Use features like Search for Location and Sort by Live Location to understand distances and navigate more efficiently. Next, open the Map Layer section and create a new style. Select Category Style and choose an attribute such as Location Type and apply color coding and unique icons to visually distinguish different areas. Then, under Map Layer Settings, select Show Legend to enable the legend and Show Label to add labels to points. Select Label feature. Then choose the feature you want to use for labeling each point. This keeps the map clean, clear, and easy to interpret. Once your map is ready, click Preview and Share. You can make it public, share it via link, embed it on your website, or even invite collaborators to edit the map together using the Add User option. It supports marketing, guest engagement, event planning, staff training, operations, accessibility reviews, and investor evaluations, without needing a physical visit. If you need help with data uploads, map analysis, map stories, or GIS and MAPOG consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.